Hi there, everybody. Chef Brian here from Mari-Mann Herbs and the Gooder Cooking Show. It's December, so you know what that means. It's prime rib time. Now, before we get too far into this whole thing, we got a couple disclaimers. First off, as always, behind the camera and my sous chef is Alan. Alan, say hi.
Hi, Brian.
Teenagers, quarantine, COVID. Blech. Hey, before you say anything, and it's December, it's all about prime rib right now. I know it's not a prime rib in the pan. Okay, I got it. It's a piece of beef. The big thing is to show you how to prepare for your prime rib to go into the oven so you can do prime rib at home and have fun with it, okay? First off, love aluminum foil pans. 1, because I'm realistic. 2, because I'm old. 3, because I'm fat. And 4 is because I don't like washing dishes. Ha, that's honest at least, right? Hey, in the bottom of the pan, mirepoix, carrots, onions, celery, essence of all cooking, the foundation of all cooking right there. You got to have it. This is what's going to make your au jus, right? The drippings from the meat comes off, flavors into that, then they all swim around with the broth while everything's baking in the oven. That is what's going to make your au jus. If you would lie it, L-I-E, is to thicken it. That's what's the start then of making a gravy, okay? So what do? We got our carrots, onions, celery in there. You can chop it, you can do whatever you want to it, just get it in there. It's going to raise it up off the pan so that air can circulate around that beef, get you a real good, even, consistent roasting. That's what we're looking for, okay? On the top, simple. Mari-Mann prime rib seasoning. The best stuff. This is my 3rd year of doing the prime rib show. This is the way I do it. Now, what I do is, this has been sitting in my refrigerator for 3 days, 4 days, something like that. A little bit longer, a little bit less, doesn't matter. But it's drying. So what's happening is you ever hear people say, I locked in the juices. You can't lock in the juices. You can lock in flavors, but not juices. We're all porous, we all sweat, we all weep juices. That's where the juice comes, is from all the fats and everything out of the protein. But what we've done is we've dried that outer layer to lock in the flavors really, really good. So what we're going to do is, in this video series, is we're going to show you the start. We're going to put him in the oven. We're going to roast him, and we're going to come back here in a little while and show you what the end result's going to be, okay? So, mirepoix on the bottom, Mari-Mann Gooder prime rib seasoning. That's what's on it. It's all happy. It's all ready to get in the oven and start baking and get to know each other. And we're going to be having some roast beef later on. But for the prime rib, remember, it's not prime. It's not, I understand, it's not prime rib. It's an eye of round. I get it. But I had to do something to show the video because I just can't be roasting off prime rib, you know. Liz is a great partner. Mike, he just doesn't pay very, so I got to watch my monies. Sorry, Mike. So we're going to get this in the oven, get it roasted off, and we'll be able to come back to you here in a little while and show you some other stuff. Hey, always remember, Gooder cooking brings out the love in your food. And remember, we're having prime rib because we need to make sure we thank a veteran. See you just guys in a little while. Thanks.